What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy. If you're new over here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now in this video, I am going to do a crochet hairstyle, okay? So stay right there and don't go anywhere. Thank you so very much for watching. So as for this part, as you can see right here, I give a single plait and then I crochet one hair on that. Then I'm going to braid it all the way back. Don't mind, you don't have to do it that way. You can definitely do 3 single plaits if you like. Not everybody can bother with pulling out the hair. They like it the easiest way, so I'm doing it that way. You can do 3 if you like, okay? Yes. So there you have it. The front is done in a semi illusion hair braiding pattern. I said semi because it's not all 3. I only do one single plait. But hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so very much for watching.